Welcome to Nityavin Padivugal. In this video, we are going to learn about polygons, sides of a polygon, vertices of a polygon, adjacent sides, adjacent vertices, and diagonals of a polygon. Come, let us learn. Polygon. What is a polygon? A polygon is a simple closed figure made up of entirely line segments. So, a polygon should be a simple closed figure, but with a condition. What is the condition? That figure should be made up of completely line segments. You should not use any curves to make a polygon. See, we have a 3-sided polygon, 4-sided polygon, 5-sided polygon, 6-sided polygon. You can draw 7-sided, 8-sided polygons also as you wish. 3-sided polygon is called triangle. 4-sided polygon is called quadrilateral in general. If all the sides are equal, then it is called a square. And all the angles should be 90 degree. Okay. So there are some conditions to get a square from a quadrilateral. Similarly, if all the sides of a 5-sided polygon are equal, then that 5-sided polygon is called regular and it will be called as pentagon. Okay. And if all the sides of a 6-sided polygon are equal in length and all the angles are equal, then that 6-sided polygon will be called as a regular 6-sided polygon, and so it will be called as a hexagon. Okay. Next, sides of a polygon. The line segments forming a polygon are called its sides. See, we have a polygon here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. What are the line segments forming this polygon ABCDE? A, B, C, D, E are the 5 points. AB line segment, BC line segment CD, line segment DE, and line segment EA are the 5 line segments which form the polygon ABCDE. Also, these line segments are called the sides of the polygon. Now, what are the vertices of a polygon? The meeting point of a pair of sides is called its vertex. If so, what do you mean by vertices? Plural form of vertex is vertices. So listen, sides are line segments, vertices are meeting points. Okay. See, from the figure, the vertices are A, because this is the meeting point of line segment EA and AB. Next vertex is B. B is the meeting point of AB and BC. C is the meeting point of BC and CD. D is the meeting point of line segment CD and DE. E is the meeting point of line segment DE and EA. So, A, B, C, D and E are the vertices of the polygon ABCDE. Okay. Adjacent sides. Adjacent means next. Let us see the definition. Any two sides with A common endpoint are called the adjacent sides of the polygon. So take any two sides with one common point. Consider AB and BC. They have the common point B. So the sides AB and BC are called adjacent sides. Similarly, BC and CD have the common point C. So line segment BC and CD are the adjacent sides. Similarly, CD and DA have the common point D, so they are adjacent sides. DE and EA are adjacent sides. EA and AB are adjacent sides. Since the sides are line segments, we denote a small line above AB. Okay. We should read it as line segment AB and line segment BC. Okay. Adjacent vertices. The endpoints of same side of a polygon are called adjacent vertices. See, consider any one line segment. You will get two endpoints. These endpoints are called adjacent vertices. One vertex is next to the other. Okay. So, from the figure, adjacent vertices are A, B, B and C, C and D, D and E, and E and E. Okay. Remember, vertex is the meeting point and side is the line segment. Okay. Diagonals. The joints of non-adjacent vertices are called the diagonals of a polygon. You know very well, plural form of vertex is vertices. Non-adjacent. If two vertices are next to one another, they are called adjacent. If two vertices are not next to one another, they are called non-adjacent vertices. Okay. The joining line segments of those kind of vertices are called diagonals of the polygon. From the figure, you see A and B are adjacent vertices, A and E are adjacent vertices. Now, A and C are non-adjacent vertices. So, the line joining A and C is a diagonal of this polygon ABCDE. Similarly, A and D are non-adjacent vertices. So, the line segment AD is a diagonal. Similarly, BD, BE and CE are the line segments that joins non-adjacent vertices. So, they are also called diagonals of the polygon ABCDE. Okay. Keep practicing. Thank you for watching.